Hey guys, it's been a while. I know, but guess what? I have a really interesting hairstyle today. So, let me know if you like it. If before then, I need you to subscribe, okay? So first, I needed to wet my hair because I relaxed it the day before. Then I used my comb. As you can see, I'm combing the hair, right? I combed it 360, then I used my attachments to just pack the hair to the middle. I made sure I wanted it to be up because of the kind of hairstyle I wanted to create. So yours could be down, yours could be up, regardless, okay? So make sure you tie it firmly because we need it to be really firm, my loves, okay? Good. So this is my petals gel, of course, and I'm going to use this to apply it all around my hair 360. So it will have a firm hold and give us this really black, dark glow coming from it. I apply this all around and I'll use my breezy brush and just comb my hair to have a really smooth finishing rather. So for this hairstyle I'm using attachment, guys. So this I just brought out like I have attachment and I picked it, I brushed it, and I'm using this to cling it to my already packed hair. As you can see, I'm tying it all around. You have to be very careful because it could interfere to your normal hair, especially if you have a long hair. So I made sure I really tied this firmly. I went up, I went down, I tied it all around. After I was done and I was convinced that yeah, it has stayed properly, I made sure I just concluded the finishing. So if you can tell, my hair is actually at the back. So what I did was I combed the attachment, right? Then I picked my hair at the back, then I braided it and I used it to round it, right? As you can see, then I used an attachment to use it to cover it because if as I braided it became slimmer. So I used an attachment to just make it round. Then guys, I had to comb the hair again because I needed to have a smooth ending. So as you can see, I was unpacking this, I needed it to be high enough. I took like a rope or something to now tie it firmly and I made sure it was really firm. Make sure it's firm. As you can see, I'm really stretching it because this is the second layer of the beauty we're about creating here. And then you would have to part this in two parts. So I parted it, as you can see. Make sure you're careful with it, all right? I parted it into, but this is actually a really simple hairstyle. Then I used my bobby pin to cling this end over to my head, and I used another bobby pin to hold the other end. I think our look is coming in place. Then I use the other remaining of the hair to just take it down. This is a very simple hairstyle, you guys. This hairstyle took me only 10 minutes. 10 easy minutes. So I used the bobby pin to cling it at the back. The remaining hair, I use it to take it around and tie it around so it will stay firm. Then I use another bobby pin to hold the front. Yeah. And then another bobby pin to hold the other end as well. Beautiful. So try to adjust the hair. I had to use my comb to comb it and I really adjusted it, and yeah, it's giving what I wanted to give. This is my camera edge control, guys. What is this look without styling your edges? Really, seriously. So I used the camera edge control to style my edges, and then I used petals gel as well to really give it a dark finishing. Yeah, because the camera edge control is quite transparent and I need it to show and glow. So this is my accessory. I'm going to be using this pin to accessorize my hair. Oh, I look good. Yes, guys, what do you think about this? Did I slay? Did I not slay? Yeah, no, I slayed. Guys, this is one simple, easy, protective hairstyle to try, and it's really easy as you can see. And this hairstyle took me only 10 minutes or less, literally. And I felt like a Barbie, I felt like a girly, girly girl, and I loved the end product of this. And I'm definitely trying this hairstyle again. So, this is one to try if you're really feeling girly for photo shoots, for birthday shoots, just stay creative and really embody the beauty of this look. So let me know in the comment section if you're trying this. Let me know your favorite thing about this look as well. And I will do well to converse with you. You guys, let me know. Did I slay? This was a really wholesome process and I enjoyed filming this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, bye.